Hello passionate gardener, welcome back. Today we are diving into the world of gooseberry plants and discussing the importance of pruning during the early summer months. Join me as we explore the ins and outs of pruning to ensure healthy growth and great fruit production this year. Let's get started. Why pruning gooseberry plants is essential? Pruning helps to maintain plant vigor, improve the air circulation, and encourage fruit production. Pruning during early summer is particularly beneficial as it allows us to remove unwanted growth and shape the plants before the fruiting season started. Gooseberry canes has thorns, so you have to be careful with your tools. You need a sharp pair of shears and protective gloves so you don't harm yourself during pruning. Now let's get started pruning. Our focus would be removing dead, disease and cross branches first, and then remove some unwanted branches. Our aim would be improve the air circulation, sunlight penetration and control the growth so we have a healthy and strong plants for a lot of fruit production during this fruiting season. This gooseberry plant is 3 years old and I'm going to start pruning this plant. So first, starting with a low hanging branch and crossing branch. This is overcrowding the plant, so just get rid of this stem so there is some breathing space for other stems and air circulation happen properly. Now let's see what other stems I can get rid of. These are the other last year growth which I will be cut down close to 1/3 or sometime 50% of it, just reducing the length so the more energy can retain on the remaining buds. More energy on the birds, more flowers and good size berries will get. So I'm getting a cuts, this kind of haircut, just reducing the growth, excess growth to make it bit short. There are some cross branches as well. This one is specially that is crossing among many branches, so getting rid of this. Be careful, there are a lot of thorns, so you have to be carefully remove all those stems and also make sure you don't damage your plants during this process. So this haircut process will keep going on. I'll make sure that all the last year growth have trimmed at least 1/3 to half so the energies can distribute evenly. Once pruning is done, don't forget aftercare. Apply balanced fertilizer. I generally use organic fertilizer. I'll share a video on the organic fertilizer separately, but make sure after pruning you use some fertilizer during the summer because this is going to give the nutrition to the plant for optimum growth. Congratulations, you have mastered the art of pruning gooseberry plants during early summer. Please make a note. Safety is important during the pruning. Gooseberry needs pruning 2 times in the year. Water and fertilize properly during the growing season. Change the pot if you are growing a container gooseberry in every 1 to 2 years. With this, you would be enjoying delicious gooseberry harvest this year and every year. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Happy pruning, gardeners!